Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best gift baskets for any occasion that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Scuddles Garden Tool Set. This 8-piece gardening tool set is one of the best gifts you can get for a friend with a green thumb. For under $50, your giftee receives a garden shovel, gloves, bag, mini rake, cultivator and sprayer. Looking to go big? Opt for one of 4 larger sets with more tools for an even bigger gift. Plus, the tote is machine washable, making it easy to remove dirt and soil. Moving on at number 4, we have the Cuisinart Backyard Barbecue Grill Tools Set. Give the passionate backyard griller in your life this 36-piece barbecue grill tool set from Cuisinart. This kit comes with everything from skewers to a meat temperature guide, and has everything in between. Whether you're shopping for a great gift for dad or a grill enthusiast, this set is sure to please. Help them put their spin on some new recipes with this tool set that will have the neighbors begging to come over for dinner. At number 3, we have the Sunflora Picnic Backpack. For the friend who is constantly exploring, or eating, this Sunflora Picnic Backpack will be a surefire hit. This backpack is filled with everything someone needs for a picnic. 4 sets of dishwasher-safe flatware and plates, 4 wine glasses, 1 cheese knife, a wine opener, a metal salt, pepper shaker and a bamboo cutting board. Pass the manchego, please. At number 2, we have the Camping Obsessed Coffee. Although this coffee on the go tote is more of a gift bag and less of a gift basket, you get the idea. And so will the Camping Obsessed Coffee lover in your life. This unique gift features a vacuum flask, 2 stainless steel insulated mugs, 2 spoons and 2 napkins. When your friend pours a cup of joe into their insulated mug in the wee morning hours, they'll think of you with a smile on their face. And finally at number 1, we have the Artisan Bread Kit. If they spend more time baking than they do sleeping, then they will love this Artisan Bread Kit. From a proofing bread basket to a dough whisk, this kit has all the essentials they'll need for making sourdough bread. Whether this is a gift for mom or someone else, you can rest assured that you'll be giving them a gift that will spruce up their kitchen decor and their bread making skills.
Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.